Oh my god, I can't. What's up, guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to be making a Moscato cream cheese pound cake.
Moscato cream cheese pound cake.
Let's get into it. Alright, you guys, so these are my ingredients. I have cream cheese, butter, eggs, baking powder, vanilla, flour, salt, sugar, my Moscato, of course. To my mixer with the whisk attachment. I'm not gonna lie, I used the whisk attachment because it's the only one I had left. When I moved, I lost it. I lost the rest of them. So I'm gonna add my cream cheese and my butter to my mixer and cream them together just like such. And once you cream that together, you're going to start adding your sugar down in here. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, so no need to worry about that. So now I'm going to start adding my eggs. Oop, I guess 2 went that time. But I'm going to start adding my eggs one at a time. You don't want to add the whole thing because you might not be able to get your mixture to act right. So that was my last egg right there. Now I'm going to start adding in my flour, baking powder, and salt. And I'm going to add it half at a time, just like how I'm doing here. Make sure you guys are scraping down the sides of your bowl when you add the flour, and before and after you add the flour down in here, just like how I'm doing right here. Y'all, I was so scared to open this Moscato bottle. I'm about to insert a clip that was so funny, and I'll come right back. You guys, that thing was a mess. You hear me? When you open that bottle, be careful, you guys, please. So now I'm going to add my vanilla and my Moscato. I added about 4 tablespoons of the Moscato, just like how I'm doing here. Give it one last mix, scrape down the sides of the bowl. This is the pan that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to butter it real good, like butter the pan with softened butter. Just like this. You're going to pop this into a 325-degree oven for 1 hour and 10 minutes. After 1 hour and 10 minutes, just stick a toothpick down in there and check to see where you're at. And then if it's not done, just put it back for another 10 minutes. But mine was done within like an hour and 10 minutes. Now my thing is, of course, I could have easily just made a regular pound cake because that was one of the dessert recipes that were requested. But again, like with the pies, you can find pound cakes every place. And I just feel like I need to put a little twist on it. A little twist. My first time making a pound cake from scratch by myself. Y'all know I don't be baking like that. And I can't wait for it to be done so I could taste it and try it with y'all. Alright, so in this bowl I have an entire block of cream cheese. I'm going to add some powdered sugar. And then I'm going to add some more Moscato. Yes, ma'am. And I'm going to mix this up. And it was spot on perfect. And this is what I'm going to pour all over the cake. If you don't want to use Moscato, you can use milk. But I suggest using the Moscato. Don't worry, you're not going to get intoxicated or anything like that, you guys. So the consistency is perfect. I wanted to do it up close so you can see what yours should look like. So now I'm just going to pour. Ooh, yes, y'all. By the way, this cake came right out of the pan. Like, it came right out of the pan because I greased it really good with the butter. But look at this glaze going over this pound cake. Like, the consistency is perfect and spot on. And yes, I slowed it down so y'all can really see what's going on. But yeah, I'm going to try it for you guys and let you guys see a close-up of it. And thank y'all so much for watching. And thank you for your support. Love you guys. I'm just excited. I love the holiday season. It's my favorite time of the year. And I'm excited to share my recipes with you guys. And I can't wait to get to the savory dishes. You guys are going to be blown away.
Blown away.
soft this is. I'm gonna cut a piece. I want y'all to really see it. Let me make sure y'all can see. Okay, y'all can see. Look at this. Look how moist. Be extra. Got my Moscato because we're gonna put it together. Okay. I can't. Like, oh my God. I can't. Let me take some Moscato. Let me tell y'all something right now. If one of y'all don't make this cake, if I just need one person to make this cake, and comment below. I see why y'all love pound cake so much, especially the homemade. Look at this. I should sell this. I need by right. I need to sell this. I'm not, but me. I'm not joking. I'm not gassing. I'm not capping. Make this pound cake for your Thanksgiving table. I wouldn't steer y'all wrong. Thank you guys for watching. I know I look different. I just got out the shower. This was, you know, the next day. And I hope you guys enjoyed these recipes so far. And I have a lot more coming. Love you guys.